Hello, thank you so much for watching my video and welcome back to the channel. Today is a very special day. I will be getting ready for my college. Now, I finished my master's degree 2 years ago and my college suddenly woke up and they're like, come on, we'll give you your certificates now. So I am now getting ready for my convocation and I applied for a South Korean visa. I will be visiting South Korea by the end of this month, so I am really excited for that as well. The visa has been approved, so first I'll go to the visa office to collect my visa and then I'll head towards my college. But before that, I'll get ready for my college. I have to wear my formals, and if you look at my skin, I do have these acne marks, so I will just get rid of them. I'll apply my color corrector and the concealer. So yep, I will start with my hair. I'll just apply some of this powder. This just makes the hair voluminous and bouncy, so I've just applied some powder and I'll just comb it through hair. Now the next thing I'll use is this orange peach color corrector. Areas wherever I have acne marks and under the eyes. I don't apply a lot of makeup on regular days, but yeah, special days like my birthday or today I am going for my college convocation, so I have to look good because I have to click a lot of pictures. Now the next thing that I'll apply on my face is this moisturizer along with the foundation. I have equal amounts of moisturizer and the foundation. I've mixed them together and I'll apply it all over my face. Now I can use my hands or else I can use a fluffy brush to just even it out everywhere. I also have this mascara which I will apply on my brows as well as my lashes. Not too much, just a little bit. Apart from that, I will now top it up with a sunscreen. And I also have spray sunscreen for my hands and my neck. That's it. I am now done with the makeup. I will quickly change my clothes and I'll head towards the visa office. Now I've been working on my abs, so I will flaunt them a little. Shirt has gone a little tight. I have to wear this because I don't have any other formal clothes. I cannot even put the top button. I think I'm ready. I'll head out to the visa office and I'll see you in some time.
Our college gave us this cape and hat, but then there was some problem with my hat. It kept on slipping off of my head.
One. We now declare you
And the disaster happened right on the stage in 3, 2,
This fell. Just got back home, but I'm also very tired. It was a very hectic day, but here's my visa. I am all ready for my trip. No, I am actually not. I have to buy bags, I have to buy clothes, then I have to buy ready to eat food items and so much more. I will try to capture all of that in the vlogs, but it was a fun experience because when I completed my bachelor's, I never got to attend my convocation because right after my graduation the lockdown happened, and after the lockdown I finished my master's degree and finally the convocation happened.
I was very tired, but then I also don't like skipping my gym, so I quickly ran towards the gym, had my dinner, and
Just 4 a.m. at night, I was sleeping, Billu was asleep, but it started raining so heavily and it is thundering. I don't know if you can hear the thunders, but they are so loud that Billu is frightened. Now, are you okay? Now. So that's the window, just keep looking at it.
Next day, early in the morning. Now, if you live in Mumbai, you know that one day it rains and the next day it's summer again. And I was invited by Jack and Jones for this influencer event. Kitnips is a character and I made it in crochet. I took it with me to the event and I gave it to the person who was handling the Kitnips section. She was so happy to receive it. Also, I got tipsy, so I don't know about you, but I love taking rickshaw rides when I'm tipsy. It just feels like a roller coaster with loud music on. After the gym, I went on a coffee date. We did our hotel bookings for South Korea and I did some crochet. Another day, it's Dasera and I met my school friend Bhargavi and we are friends since junior KG. And we have this tradition of having Dasera lunch together every year at her place. After having my lunch, I quickly took an auto and I'm heading towards the Cat Cafe studio. Cat Cafe studio to meet my friend Dina. Now Dina and I met 3 years ago at a yarn store and she lives in Spain. She visits India every year for work and we have a lot of common interests like cats, crochet and a lot more. This is our third meetup in the last 3 years. So we did some crochet, we played with a lot of cats. We went for dinner and I got back home. After getting back home, we do not miss gym again. So I went to the gym, I did some deadlifts. It looks very funny in fast motion, but yeah.
I am recording a reel today with this teeny tiny crochet hook. You can't even see the hook's mouth because it's so tiny. It's just 1 millimeter. No one will believe that I took 2 days to make this. So these are the 2 doggies that I recently worked on. I just finished all my work and yeah, this is a Cocker Spaniel and this is a Pit Bull. Do you see this head bump? That's my favorite thing going on over here, and the eyes. I also worked on 2 cows. One is a regular cow that I usually make and one is a Halloween cow. So these are the 4 items that I have worked on today. So Kala and I are in the train and we are heading towards the Chor Bazaar. What? Shut up. What?
Chor Bazaar because I wanted to purchase cheap bags and this is what I found. It is a very good bag and I got this for just 2000 rupees. This is the second bag that I'll be carrying. Got back home, went to the gym, did some squats. That's my sir helping me do it seamlessly and here's the fast motion. It's the next day, I'm heading towards a shoot. Now Pony Needles and I are collaborating and making beginner friendly kits for y'all so you can purchase them in a few days. Along with that, it was also my mama's birthday. I gifted her a sewing machine and Billu wanted to cut the cake. So we asked him to just grab the knife and help us.
I gifted this machine to my mom on her birthday. Little does she know that I'll be using this for my content. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. I have purchased this for my mom only because she loves sewing and she has an old machine. The machine is around 20 years old. So she had an eye on this machine and I purchased it for her. But yeah, I am a very creative person, I think, and as soon as I saw this I was like, okay, I want to try something out of this. I asked my mom to teach me sewing and she taught me the basics. This is like a combination of crochet and sewing. It's right here. I'm not gonna show it to you because I will be uploading a reel about this, and a little bit of yappy session now. My Instagram blew up because of one reel and I got around 10,000 followers because of that reel. Now last month when I started uploading content, I had this thing in the back of my mind that I have to gain 5,000 followers this month, 5,000 followers next month, so that I have 10,000 followers by the end of this year and before my birthday, so that I can celebrate 100k and my birthday together. But because of that fridge magnets reel, my page blew up and I got 10,000 followers immediately. I crossed 101,000 followers yesterday, and I did not process the fact that I have around 100,000 followers. A lot of people were congratulating me, but then I was a little busy. But yeah, I was at the gym a little while ago and I saw my page. I was like, oh, 100k.
But then how did that even happen? I have worked so hard. Everything just started flashing in the back of my mind. I saw myself making content, taking out huge bags at the pop-up events. I saw myself crying because the content did not work, because the pop-up did not work. I saw myself crying editing the video. So yeah, everything, the whole 1.5 year just kept replaying in the back of my mind, and I cried at the gym today. It was a very emotional moment. So I just went a corner mein and I was like, okay, I think I have finally processed this fact that all my hard work has started paying off now, and I think this is just the beginning. I will work hard, and let's see, by the end of 2025, let's hope for 1 million followers. You might think it is a lot, but yeah, I'll work hard. I am really excited for the things that I have planned, all the things that I have been working on. Now the most amazing thing is Korea trip. It happens in less than 3 days, and then I'll upload some Korea videos. Let's see you all in Korea. Thank you so much once again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram, and once again, thank you. Bye bye.